Before this video starts, I just want to say real quick that I didn't start recording my trip as a hotel review channel. So please keep that in mind. So the first few videos will not be so detailed about the hotel room itself, but the more videos coming up, the better they will get. If you want to see more hotel reviews like Marina Bay Sands in Singapore, YOTEL Air in Changi Airport, hit the subscribe button now. And now, enjoy the video. Alright guys, just arrived in Frankfurt. I'm going to the hotel now. I got one just right here at the terminal, which was actually very convenient because the walking distance was only 5 minutes to the hotel. So, I just checked in the Sheraton in Frankfurt and they literally gave me the last room. Look at that. Whew. All these rooms on the left side are business meeting rooms. I saw a lot of people coming in and out of there, and my room was literally all the way in the back. I had to carry my luggage to the door, which is here on the right side. I had some troubles, as you can see here, opening the door, pushed in the car the wrong way, and yeah, then finally got the door open and entered the room. Alright, quick room tour. This is the Sheraton Airport Hotel in Frankfurt. This is the bathroom, quite tiny. Beautiful mirror, look at that. Nice sink, everything. There are the amenities. I think nice shower. With the glass right here. Bathrobe. There's some space to put your luggage there because it's an airport hotel, pretty convenient. Big bed, I don't know, seems quite comfortable. Huge TV, Samsung TV, a desk where you can work, a chair where you can relax, a little mirror to watch yourself, and then the view. Amazing. There's the German Autobahn where you can drive unlimited, and over there is the airport. Nothing super fancy, it's just pretty convenient because it's directly at the terminal. So you can get up tomorrow in the morning and just go Terminal 1, check in, and you're right there at the gates. But this is already the next day. I slept pretty good, I have to say. I give a full review at the end of the video. Walking back, checking out. One thing to add right here is they had a lot of elevators. I never had to wait really long, but it was only one floor anyway to go down to the lobby. And then really convenient, they had the quick key drop off right here. You could just put it in the box and that's it, checked out. After that you can cross this bridge, as you can see here, and then you are at the Terminal 1 airport and can check in. Quick summary of the Sheraton Hotel Frankfurt Airport Conference Center. The room was very clean, no issues with that at all. It was really quiet, so I didn't hear any airplanes or cars from the Autobahn, and it was really convenient, located just directly at the airport, so that was really good. One thing which was a little bit annoying was this green light I show you right here. This light up the whole room and I had to cover it up, but that's really the only thing. I forgot to check if there is a minibar or not. I'm really not quite sure. Upcoming hotels, I will review the minibar as well. And the price for this hotel, you can see it in the title, was $120. It was more on the expensive side, I have to say. but it's so good located at the airport. If you have an early flight or just a quick stopover at the airport and want to get some rest, this is a good hotel to go to. I can recommend this hotel. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.